One of the things that our team is doing is a demonstration flight of our descent element 1 year before we actually send crew, humans, down to the surface. And that provides an enormous amount of risk reduction. We get to practice.
In Huntsville, we put together a full-scale pathfinder of the DE demo lander. We can test out, prove out the BE-7 engine, all the major subsystems, the whole propulsion system, the fluid system, the electrical power system, the fuel cells, avionics, the sensors, all of that. We can send that lander and land it autonomously on the surface before the crew goes there. We can deliver all kinds of payloads. We can deliver a metric ton of stuff.
We can pre-position material, and it can be whatever you want it to be. We can begin to build up Artemis Space Camp.
We're looking at several different ways of offloading payloads from the deck. The obvious thing is a crane. And we've actually got a crane provided for us by Langley Research Center at NASA. We're also looking at a Dabbit system that's being developed by Honeybee Robotics. We're not standing still at the national team. We built this full-scale pathfinder of the DE demo mission in Huntsville to enable long-term sustainability, getting America back to the moon, this time to stay.